Since its introduction in 2014, the RC has played a major role in promoting Lexus' commitment to delivering a more emotional quality in the driving experience provided by its vehicles, with its sporty appearance and versatile driving character. The fresh new Lexus RC retains all the virtues of the previous model, but takes them to a higher level by adopting the latest evolution of Lexus' signature design language and sharpened driving dynamics inspired by the brand's flagship luxury coupe, the LC. The exterior styling remains as sporty as the current model, but subtle changes in the details, inspired by Lexus LC design cues, imbue it with a newfound elegance. Inside the cabin, everything from the high-quality materials to the precise layout of controls and gauges was crafted to maximize driving pleasure. Enhancements have been made to the RC's aerodynamics, tires, and suspension, and there are also improvements to engine response and steering feel, all of which reflecting the even sharper and more graceful drive philosophy that was introduced by the LC. The new RC is more stable than ever under a wide variety of driving conditions. This provides a high level of driver confidence and a reassuringly flat ride quality, making the coupe an ideal grand tourer, whether you're negotiating a twisty mountain road or simply making a long-distance commute on the open highway.